there, I'm Sarah Michelson, aka Madame Musique from the Little French Owl. My passion is to help parents start their journey and give them tips to raise their children to be bilingual. I also strongly believe in the bilocal movement, as I truly appreciate the support that comes my way from Quintewest and all of my followers. If you know anything about me, you know that I'm a beagle lover, and I just bought the cutest earrings that I have to share with you. They are little beagles, little Snoopies. Well, the other day, just before lockdown, I had the chance to go for a walk with my beagle and one of my good friends, and we were both talking about how much we really love Maurices. One of the things that I really appreciate about the store is they have a military discount. And secondly, I love that you can always go with a friend, no matter what size, because they have a great selection of sizes at great prices. So I reached out to Belleville Maurices in the Quintewest Mall via their Instagram page, and I'm so happy to partner with them to bring you my curbside shopping experience. I'm just a curvy mama looking for some spring and summer go-tos, and I'm going to share some of the stuff I found at Maurices. I hope you enjoy it, and give me some feedback as to what your favorite pieces are. Well, the bag says it all. I really love their catchphrase. Maurices, inspiring women of all shapes and sizes to look and feel great. Let's give it a go. I got BOGO tanks, buy one, get one 50% off, so they're a great price. I really love them. They're slightly ribbed. And I got a pair of rust shorts. Something that I really like about these shorts is because they have a plus section and a regular section. If you're one of those people who are in between the plus and the regular sizes, it's really great because they actually overlap and you can get different inseam sizes. So that's a combination that I bought there, and they're going to be great for interchanging amongst each other. I also got myself a great jumpsuit. I'll show you in just 1 second. And there is a great piece that I absolutely love. It's a navy jumper, and it is just a classic. I really just love it because you could put on a belt with it. You can also layer it with one of those tank tops underneath. You could put a jean jacket over top of it to dress it down, or you can put a nice scarf around your neck and fill up that V-neck area. Comes down to just above the ankles, so it's a nice feel for summer, but not quite that mid-calf cutoff, which I really appreciate as well. And of course, to finish off any great outfit, I've got a pair of earrings. I actually got these earrings at buy one, get one 50% off as well. Out of these pieces, I think I've got a lot of really good staples to bring me into spring and summer. Which was your favorite? Let me know.